The CMF Phone 2 Pro is gearing up for its grand debut on April 28, 2025, and the buzz around it is getting louder by the day. Let's start with the confirmed heart of the device, the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro chipset. It's a noticeable upgrade over last year's CMF Phone 1, bringing a 10% boost in CPU performance and around 5% improvement in graphics, largely thanks to MediaTek's 6th Gen NPU, enhancing AI processing. Interestingly, a recent Geekbench listing for the CMF Phone 2 Pro, possibly codenamed Galaga, shows the phone running Android 15. The device scored 1012 in the single-core test and 2939 in multi-core, powered by an octa-core chip with a 2.5 GHz plus 2.0 GHz setup and ARM Mali 615MC2 GPU. It also confirms 8 GB RAM on the tested unit, though we might see additional memory variants at launch. But CMF isn't stopping at raw specs. The Phone 2 Pro boasts support for 120 frames per second in BGMI, a blazing fast 1000 Hz touch sampling rate, and a claimed 53% improvement in network connectivity. That's a lot of promise for gamers and casual users alike, and clearly, CMF is targeting younger, budget-conscious buyers who want flagship features without selling a kidney. Now, in a rare win for budget phones, and a light jab at Apple and Samsung, CMF is including a charger in the box. Akis Evangelidis, co-founder of Nothing, even responded cheekily to questions on X with an image showing a charger cut out inside the retail box, and the caption, "We heard you, my man." Clearly, CMF is listening to fans and scoring points where the big guys are cutting corners. In case you're still not impressed, CMF is launching not just the Phone 2 Pro, but also a trio of earbuds, the CMF Buds 2, CMF Buds 2A, and CMF Buds 2 Plus, all of which will be available via Flipkart in India. The Buds 2 in particular deserve a mention. They're officially listed on Nothing's web store and pack a punch with 11mm custom drivers, tuned with Dirac Opio and ultra-bass technology 2.0 for deeper sound. Connectivity has received a nice bump with Bluetooth 5.4, dual device pairing, Google Fast Pair, and Microsoft Swift Pair. Noise cancellation also gets a serious upgrade with hybrid ANC that can block up to 48 decibels of background noise in real time, covering a 5200 Hz frequency range. Each earbud has 3 mics, Clear Voice Tech 3.0, and spatial audio for immersive calls and music. The CMF Buds 2 deliver an impressive 13.5 hours battery life on a single charge, and a whopping 55 hours with the case. They're IP55 rated for dust and water resistance. The case has an IPX2 rating, so they can definitely handle daily wear and tear. Available in light green, dark gray, and orange, they're priced at $59, $49, and 95 cents, or just $39 with early pre-orders. Shipping kicks off April 18th. What's interesting is that CMF is launching the Phone 2 Pro first, not the standard CMF Phone 2. That strongly suggests a separate release is planned for the regular version later in 2025. Until then, the CMF Phone 2 Pro will be the main attraction in this lineup, and at its expected $250 price range.